If you are looking for the best sewing and embroidery machine for home projects or small businesses, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best sewing and embroidery machines available today. These machines are selected based on stitch quality, embroidery features, ease of use, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Singer C9180 Sewing and Embroidery Machine, 250 built-in stitches, 150 embroidery designs, 10 fonts, 1-step buttonhole, 7-inch touchscreen, automatic needle threader and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Singer C9180 is a premium sewing and embroidery machine loaded with features that make both creative projects and everyday sewing easier and more enjoyable. With 250 built-in stitches, this machine gives you a wide range of decorative, utility, stretch, and buttonhole options. Whether you're hemming garments, quilting layers, or adding custom touches, those stitches provide versatility right out of the box. A standout feature is the 150 built-in embroidery designs and 10 fonts for monogramming, allowing you to personalize towels, shirts, gifts, and more. The large 7-inch touchscreen makes selecting designs, editing, rotating, resizing, and combining motifs intuitive. You can preview your embroidery layout before stitching begins, which saves time and reduces guesswork. The C9180 also includes a 1-step buttonhole function for consistently sized buttonholes without manual adjustments. This is perfect for garments, bags, and home decor projects. The automatic needle threader eliminates the frustration of threading tiny eyes, saving precious time, especially for users with vision challenges. Wi-Fi connectivity is a modern addition, enabling you to transfer designs and update machine features easily. Built-in memory lets you save favorite designs or custom stitch combinations. The machine also includes an extension table for quilting and larger projects, providing a stable surface for bigger fabrics. Number 2. Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine, 70 built-in stitches, LCD display, wide table, 10 included feet, white. The Brother CS7000X is a popular computerized sewing and quilting machine that blends user-friendly functionality with impressive features. It includes 70 built-in stitches, providing options for garment construction, decorative detailing, stretch stitches for knits, and basic quilting. Stitch selection is handled through a bright LCD display, where each stitch number and recommended presser foot are shown clearly. This makes setup fast and reduces guesswork for beginners or intermediate sewists. The machine comes with 10 included presser feet, such as a zipper foot, blind hem foot, buttonhole foot, and quilting bar, giving you essential tools for a wide range of tasks. The included wide table supports quilting projects and larger seams, offering a stable workspace that accommodates bigger fabrics. Whether you're piecing quilt blocks or hemming drapes, the extra table makes handling bulkier materials easier. This model includes convenient features such as an automatic needle threader and easy-to-change presser feet, which reduce setup time and frustration. Adjustable sewing speed control helps users sew comfortably at their own pace, ideal for beginners learning precision and advanced users working on detailed projects. The CS7000X handles both lightweight and medium-weight fabrics with consistent stitch quality. Twin needle capabilities and reinforced stitching make it versatile for apparel projects, home decor, and quilting. The machine also includes a built-in free arm for sewing cuffs, collars, and pant legs. Number 3. Juki TL2010Q High-Speed Sewing and Quilting Machine with Free Bonus Pack. The Juki TL2010Q is a high-speed sewing and quilting machine built for serious sewists and professionals who demand precision and power. This model is known for its robust construction, straight stitch excellence, and exceptional speed, making it a favorite for quilters, garment makers, and heavy-use sewists. Equipped with a powerful direct-drive motor and industrial-style build, the TL2010Q delivers fast stitching speeds, allowing projects to finish quickly without sacrificing stitch quality. The straight stitch mechanism excels at everything from quilting to piecing seams, and many users appreciate the smooth, consistent feed even through multiple layers of batting and fabric. The machine includes a large work area, which is ideal for quilts, bulky fabrics, and extended sewing projects. The extension table provides extra support and makes free motion quilting much more manageable. Its automatic lubrication system helps keep internal mechanisms running smoothly over time. One of the most valued features is the adjustable presser foot pressure, which allows fine-tuning based on fabric weight, important when working with delicate cottons or heavier textiles like canvas and denim. The knee lifter raises the presser foot hands-free, which improves control when pivoting corners or removing fabric. Durability is a hallmark of Juki machines, and the TL2010Q is no exception. Its metal frame and precision engineering are designed for long-term performance, making it an investment piece for frequent sewists. Multiple accessory feet and quilting guides expand its utility further. Number 4. Little Rebel Sewing and Quilting Machine with built-in stitch regulation. Little Rebel. The Little Rebel Sewing and Quilting Machine is designed specifically for quilters who want consistent stitch quality without manual tension adjustments. The standout feature here is the built-in stitch regulation, which automatically maintains even stitch length, especially helpful when sewing long quilt seams or free-motion quilting. Stitch regulation ensures uniform stitching regardless of sewing speed, helping prevent puckering and inconsistent stitches. This feature is a game-changer for users who want smooth, professional results without fine-tuning tension manually. The machine offers a generous workspace that accommodates large quilt blocks and wide fabrics. The throat space gives adequate room to manage bulky quilts, and the included extension table supports larger projects comfortably. The Little Rebel focuses on essential functionality for dedicated quilters, offering reliable straight and zigzag stitching, adjustable presser foot pressure, and a high-performance feed mechanism. Beginners will appreciate the consistent stitch regulation, while advanced quilters benefit from smooth fabric handling and accuracy. Whether you're sewing precision piecing seams or tackling free-motion motifs, this machine provides a smooth, dependable experience. Its design prioritizes quilting performance, making stitch quality and control accessible without extra complexity. The Little Rebel is ideal for quilters who value stitch consistency and performance in a focused machine built for quilting tasks. It combines regulation technology with a quilting-friendly design to support projects of all sizes. Number 5. Janome 1600P QC High-Speed Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Janome 1600P QC is a high-speed sewing and quilting machine that blends professional-grade performance with user-friendly design. It's built to deliver precise stitching and consistent results across a wide range of fabrics and projects. This machine features a robust motor capable of high-speed stitching, greatly reducing project time whether you're piecing quilt blocks or sewing garment seams. Janome's engineering ensures that even at fast speeds, stitch quality remains consistent and smooth. The 1600P QC offers a solid straight stitch system, ideal for seams, top stitching, and quilting. Adjustable presser foot pressure allows you to tailor performance to fabric choice, critical for quilting layers or sewing lighter materials without skipping. One of the benefits of this model is its dependable, no-nonsense design. The feed mechanism and tension system work in harmony to deliver uniform stitches, minimizing skipped or uneven stitching. The machine handles quilt sandwich layers with ease, and the sturdy construction provides a stable, vibration-controlled sewing experience. The extended work surface and optional extension table give quilters more space to manage larger blocks and finished quilts. Simple controls make setup fast, letting you focus on creative work rather than machine adjustments. For sewists and quilters who want a reliable, high-speed machine that tackles frequent use with durability and stitch precision, the Janome 1600P QC delivers professional-level performance in a user-friendly package. That brings us to the end of our list of the top 5 best sewing and embroidery machines. Each option offers different features depending on your skill level and creative needs. Updated prices and purchase links are available in the description below. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.